Hi everyone, this is Paolo. In this video we will cover how to register a Managed FortiGate Service entitlement and link it to an existing FortiGate device. Once an entitlement is generated, you will need to register it within the activation policy time frame. We recommend doing this registration as soon as you have received an email with your service registration document. To register an entitlement, open your service registration document and navigate to page 2. Here you will find the contract registration code. Verify that it's associated with the Managed FortiGate service. Copy the contract registration code. Then log in to support.fortinet.com with your account credentials. From the dashboard, click Register Now and paste your contract registration code. Select the end user type. On the following page, link the entitlement to an existing Fortinet asset. In this example, we are linking it to a FortiGate VM subscription. Review the entitlement summary. At the bottom, you will see the Managed FortiGate Service entitlement details with start and end dates. Check the box to accept registration terms, then click Confirm to validate. Your contract registration is now complete. You have just finished step 1 out of the 2-step onboarding process. To finish onboarding, log in to the Managed FortiGate Service portal and submit your onboarding request. Choose Service Onboarding if you are new to the service and enrolling for the first time, as you see here, or select Device Onboarding if you are already using the service and want to add another FortiGate device. If you need additional info about service or device onboarding, you can find detailed documentation on docs.fortinet.com, section Secure Networking, Managed FortiGate Service. Thanks for watching.